Kids, are you guys ready
Yeah!
for the day? Okay.
Hello everyone! Hello, Lay!
This is the traveling
Tilo!
Go for a cruise.
Oh, we need somebody better.
Get on your person. That's him. Go get him. Go get him. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going by.
Last point.
Ashley! Everybody wave to Ashley up there. Wave to Ashley.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is our first day in Aviano, Italy, and these guys are on their way to get gelatos on a very hot day.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to have the bow deck.
Okay. You get everything? Yeah. Oh, napkin! Yeah! Right here? 2 scoops of a cup, cheesecake and strawberry.
Ice cream made out of yogurt.
Yeah.
You guys gotta go pick. You guys want.
Guys, can I cry? Yeah, because the lady said one check. I said, yeah. She said, which one? I said, the one with the hat over the left.
No, watch out.
Is that vanilla?
Really good.
No, I don't want it.
At least the last thing.
Hello. We're missing. Now you cut.
Get out. Be careful.
I said so they walk and now he's mad.
I think he freaked out like.
He's like, wait a second.
Are we going back to our place soon or no?
So we are back at our Airbnb and the kids enjoyed every second of it. Shout out to our host for making this a family friendly experience and for being absolutely wonderful.
2 ice cream, please.
Huh?
2 ice cream, please. 2 akot. 2 ice cream.
Oh,
Please.
yes.
Yes.
2
Yes.
ice cream.
Oh, oh.
Wow.
Delicious.
2 ice cream.
Oh.
2. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Can I
Yes. 2
have some?
piece ice
Can I
cream.
have some alcohol,
Thank you.
please? Can I have some alcohol?
2 ice cream.
Can I have alcohols, please? Can
Silakan.
I have alcohols?
Please go get ice cream.
Oh, faham pula be. We're rushing already.
Ice cream.
Yes,
Thank
saya
you.
mengakan.
Wow. Thank you, sons. Everybody's like 3D, right? Or whatever. Yo, we took a video coming down. So cool, huh? Beautiful.
What's up, guys?
I know. I'm like, I still can't believe it.
Let me take a video. Everybody. I gotta get this part.
Oh, your dad was
No running. Baby, can you take a picture of us? I need a picture of the thing. Take a picture of me. Going like this. Rainmaker. Miracle worker. What's in court?
coming in the back.
Is it the same car? Yeah. Oh no, it's a different car. Move on the side.
I think that car's
No,
so
come
big.
this side.
What are you doing on?
Does it fit?
Yeah, too wide.
Oh, yeah.
They know who
I did. I like that.
All right, guys, that's it for today's vlog. We hope you enjoyed it.
Look here. Say ciao.
Ciao.
Hug.
Say ciao.
Hug Andre. No, Andre. Hug Andre.
Hug Andre.
Hey.